Social media can be a great tool in the effort to increase your targeted leads. It provides a way for you to connect with people on a much more intimate level than you could through other avenues such as direct mail, telemarketing, or cold calling. The ability to engage with your audience is directly related to the ability to attract them to your business leads. Here are some tips to help you get started in this exciting new era of marketing. With social networking sites such as Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter now available to all users, it is a great way to reach your target customers. Facebook especially has become a popular way to market your business because of the large number of people who regularly log in and out. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 5 strategies to attract more leads. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. YouTube also offers an interesting form of online marketing automation through its advertising center. This makes it easy to set up and run your advertising campaigns from any internet connection, even your cell phone if that's available. Twitter is another popular way to connect with potential customers. Email marketing is also a great way to get in touch with your target leads. An effective email campaign provides valuable information that can be used to contact your subscribers. However, one of the most effective ways to do this is through email marketing automation software. There are many software packages that can help you set up and schedule email campaigns. Using YouTube and other social media to promote your blogs and websites is an excellent way to increase your traffic. It is a great way to create backlinks to your site. When these backlinks are incorporated into a blog post, article, or other resources, it helps to boost the search engine rankings. For example, a link to your blog post at the end of this article will increase the traffic to your article. Blogging is another great way to gain leads and build your social media presence. Make sure that you keep your blog informative and timely. Also, keep in mind that bloggers love to shout comments and share content with their followers. Social media is a wonderful tool for connecting with your target audience. As a small business owner, you can leverage your social media presence through your blog posts. The third strategy for generating leads is by creating content that you can syndicate. This can be done by posting blog posts and articles on various social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can also join various networking communities and create content about your product or services. Content marketing is a very powerful lead generation technique. It is the ideal method for creating targeted leads. The fourth strategy for generating leads is to optimize your websites and blogs. For example, ensure that your website has relevant content. It should be relevant to the audience that you are targeting. It is advisable to do some keyword research to understand what keywords people are using when searching online for a particular product. Lastly, it is also a great way to attract potential leads through email marketing. You can use email marketing to send out promotional offers, coupons, and announcements about your products. Remember, the internet is filled with opportunities to attract potential leads. With these techniques, you will be able to generate great leads and clients in no time. HubSpot is one of the most effective marketing platforms today. The website allows you to create content, distribute it to others, and track the performance of your campaign. You can also set up your account and follow the easy-to-follow instructions from HubSpot. You don't have to be an expert with web development or marketing in order to successfully market your business through HubSpot. Creating valuable and interesting blog posts and promoting them is a great way to attract leads. The fifth strategy for successful email marketing is to submit your blogs to review websites. This is the easiest way to get a foothold in the blogging world. If you have good content, you will likely get more leads from review websites. Review websites will typically allow you to place your link on their first page. If you are able to get your blog listed on the first page of a high-traffic site, you can expect to receive a significant amount of traffic. Attracting leads using inbound and outbound marketing strategies is a powerful and easy way to generate leads. Inbound marketing strategies will provide you with a fresh new audience, while outbound marketing will capture your audience. You will be able to see which strategies are generating you leads and use those to further refine your outbound strategies. With this information, you can easily refine your outbound strategy so that you can generate more leads and enjoy an increase in profits. Thanks for watching my video about 5 strategies to attract more leads. Free download. Get the sponsoring secrets of the pros to attract more leads, close more customers, and sponsor more reps into your home business fast. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.